Hello, my name is Felix. I'm a product manager at Akeneo. Some of you have been using our PIM for years, so you know how important it is for us at Akeneo to help you to build the best product catalog, reflecting exactly what you want to sell. And because the key to a great product experience is exhaustive and accurate product data, we took care of 75% of your top 20 pain points. Each was turned into a feature or into an improvement, which made the life of 168 customers easier. By doing so, we got rid of some of your customizations that were costly to develop and to maintain, which in turn reduced your integration costs. Among many other improvements, today we are going to focus on 3 axes. First, we took care of specific technical characteristics that were missing in your product descriptions. With the v5 of Akeneo PIM, you can personalize your own measurement families to share details that belong to your particular industry. This will enable your customers to understand how your product works and compare them more easily. This way, you will also provide them with the most accurate and detailed product pages. Then, we looked at product compatibility. It is now possible for you to associate each product with others thanks to the two-way associations. You can now easily point your customers toward compatible accessories or spare parts for each product. And finally, we make it possible for you to create product sets to make your own combination of products. For each individual product, you can set a specific amount of items, and this product set will have its own SKU. This way, you can offer your customers a unique set for every occasion that can be bought in a single click. To show you exactly what I'm talking about, let me tell you a story. Imagine for a moment you work at Deluxe Gardens, a wholesaler of garden decorations. For instance, let's assume you are in charge of festoon lights. Today, this product is not detailed enough for your buyers. Of course, you already have all the measurement criteria, such as the cable length or the number of light bulbs, or even the maximum wattage in watts. But at Akeneo, we go further. You can also add your own measurement families and enrich your festoon light page with a personalized lifespan measurement that will help the buyer to know how many times they can turn the light on and off. To do so, you create a new measurement family. In this example, the main unit will be the number of on and offs. Now you very quickly create the new lifespan attribute and add it to the appropriate attribute group so that you can set a value for your product. And here you go. Once everything is all set, if you go back to your festoon light product page, you can add the right value to your new measurement attribute. In this case, your buyer can turn it on and off 7,500 times. Now that you have created the appropriate measurement for this festoon light, let's look at how Akeneo helps you to associate your products with spare parts or compatible accessories and even increase the average basket of your customers. For instance, you need to associate this festoon light with extra light bulbs as a compatible item and with a transformer as a spare part. This way, by browsing each product individually, it will be possible to see all the compatible products. To do so, we create a two-way association from the settings before we can start associating your products. Let's head to our festoon light product page and choose the two-way association type you just created. Then, you need to look for the light bulbs and for the transformer in order to associate them. By doing so, each product will be automatically associated with each other. You don't need to repeat the association process all over again on the transformer product page. It's already done. To see how it looks like, you can just open the product page of the colored light bulbs, and here we go, they are associated with the festoon light. Now that you have discovered how Akeneo helps you to always better enrich your product catalog, and to make the most of each product page by combining them with one another, how about taking it to the next level and creating product sets? This is the best way to sell, for a dedicated price, a set of products made of your own combination of products. What really makes a difference here is that for each individual product, you can set a specific amount of items, and this freshly created product set will have its very own SKU. To do so, the first thing you need to do is to create an association type with quantity. Let's call it a product set. And now you create your actual garden party set as any regular product. It will have its own assets and, most importantly, its own SKU. To link your other products to this product set, you use the association with quantity. And from the list, you define which products are part of the set. As I explained before, you select the right number of festoon lights, bunting banners, the large triangular shade, and the hooks. Your product set is ready to be bought in a single click. And here we are with this demonstration. To recap, we saw that in 2020, we added a way to personalize your own measurement metrics, a more advanced way to associate your products with compatibility options, and finally, a possibility to create product sets. This will allow you to provide a better understanding of your product's characteristics. Your customers will save time and will benefit from a boosted product experience. But that's not all. We also did many other improvements. Sometimes, when new variant products are created, their variant axis can be set to a value that is not precisely the one you wanted. It is now possible to change this value afterwards, making your product modeling even more flexible. And you already know this. Under control product information governance is the key to unlock powerful product experiences. Then, to offer greater flexibility when dealing with variant products, you can now easily transform them into simple products directly from the PIM interface. Quite a game changer when you need to refine your family variants. You can also use it if your product range now contains one product instead of several. We also wanted you to save time and improve the reading of exported files, so we added an option in our Excel and CSV export functionalities to display attribute labels instead of codes in the export files. No more manual work after exporting when sending files to distributors or retailers, for example. You can also stay organized in your product enrichment thanks to the private views. From now on, when you create a view, you can make it private to keep it for yourself and have it only visible by you, or public to share it with other PIM users. This improvement will help you to focus on your own enrichment needs without confusing your teammates. Having a hard time initializing the records of your reference entities? We got you covered. You can now import an Excel or CSV file containing all your records. We also make it possible for you to export them in Excel or CSV once enriched. This new feature can also help you to bulk update your records or easily duplicate them. Last but not least, amongst other things, we revamped the Boolean attribute, we added product duplication capabilities, we improved job monitoring with progress bars and estimations. Feel free to check our Serenity updates on our Help Center for more information about these amazing new features on help.akeneo.com. Remember, all these features have already been used and loved by our SaaS users. Thanks for your time, feel free to send us a message, and don't forget to check the other videos from my colleagues. Bye bye!